Hi everyone, so in this tutorial we'll see how we create a child component in our Angular application that we created in the last video. So if you haven't checked that out, please go and watch that so you can follow along with this tutorial as well. So we have a couple of methods to create a Angular component in Angular application. First one is I think the first one is to use Angular CLI to create a component, and the second one is if you have extension that we install in your project, yes, code editor, you can have an option here as well, a component in your application. So I think I already installed this extensions long back. I don't remember what it was, but I will just try to find it for you. There's some other extension that I already installed, and I'm not sure which one was that, so I'll leave that out. So to create a component in Angular application, first you have to open command integrated terminal where you want to create an Angular component application. So we want to create an Angular component app folder. So open terminal and at this path location. So to create a component, you have ng space ng G is for generate, and then space, then C is for component, and then the component name. So I will just give component child dash component. So Angular CLI will run this command and create a component using this name inside app folder. So it create a folder. It has four different files. One is for CSS, one is for template, one is for testing purposes, and next one is for some logic that we want to use in this component. So currently we don't have any logic, so it will stay empty like this. And here we have some HTML, and to use this newly created component inside our application, you have to use this selector. So I'll copy this selector. I'll go into app component h template file. I'll create a new tag using that selector. So when we created an Angular component using this command, it did a couple of things. First, it created a component that is this one, and second thing is it initialize, it declared that component inside app module. So that's Angular will know what it is, like what is this tag and what to do with this, and how to render it and all the stuff. So if we go into a browser where we already our application is running, so here you can see our child component HTML is rendered properly. So this is how you can create a component in your Angular application. This is a pretty simple one. So that's how you can create a component. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. See you. Bye.